Asian Cultural Council Philippines. Alice Reyes Dance Philippines dancers.
Guys, please stand with now. And then if you all just like explain to the Alice Reyes dancers, like open up your side, go to the side talaga, stage left there, and audience, and open up to them, just present. Maybe you could point to them, Susie, yeah? Susie can do that, and everyone else just look at them. Then?
Philippines dancers, Monica Gana and EJ Arizola. Olivia, choreographer, Alice Reyes, artistic director and national artist for dance, ACC grantee, 1969. Tusa Montes, percussionist. Joel Balsamo, pianist, ACC 2025. Manila Symphony Orchestra String Quartet. Sara Gonzalez, Leon Maria Llorel, Reyes, George Bernard Supertran, and Arnold C. Josue. Antonio Maite, flautist, ACC 2003. Rachel Herodias, soprano, ACC 1996. Alex Peg, piano, ACC 2019. Daniel Donia, viola, and Susie Ibarra, composer, lead performer, percussionist, and Pulitzer Prize winner for music, ACC grantee 2007 and 2018. Our creative and production staff, Lex Fernandez, visual artist, ACC 2014, Sam Penaso, visual artist, ACC 2013, Teresa Barroso, soundscape designer, ACC 2014, Tess Menias, voice over and stage manager, Ong, fiber artist, ACC 2016. Barbie Tantiongco, rights designer and technical director, ACC 2002-2009. Loy Arsena, scenic designer, ACC 2004. Chris Villado, concept, stage director and writer, ACC 2000. Nestor Hardin, project consultant, ACC 1983 JDR 3rd awardee 2017. And Ms. Teresa Rances, executive producer. And last but not the least, our hosts for the evening, Malugang Boa Lindo and Ramo Lawel. Go to the stage. Let's give it up for one last time for our cast, creatives, and production staff of Sky Island celebrating 25 years of cultural exchange with the Asian Cultural Council. This is your host, Malugang Boa Lindo and Ramo Laurel.